Okay. Oh! Hey, Montclair! Whoa, you guys are everywhere. Hey. Oh. We're in the girls' bathroom celebrating Women's History Month. I'm here with Roxy the Red Hawk. And, wash your hands. We're celebrating Women's History Month and Roxy's birthday. Oh, thanks. Thank you. It's coming up. She has her, they were asking Red Hawks about feminine products. What is this? Do you know? Of course you do. And she's not telling me. Also gonna ask Red Hawks about the wonderful women in their lives. Now let's hit the street, You wait this whole time. You ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Ladies first. Ladies first. Thank you. You want to answer a question? Yes. What is this?
Legos.
Legos, okay. Yeah.
I have no idea.
Well, we'll try another one. It's no problem.
My sister uses that.
Okay.
It's for makeup thing.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Shout out a woman that you just love so much.
My sister and my mom, and they're dealing with a lot of stuff. So shout out Brielle and shout out my mom.
Shout out a woman you just love so much.
A woman I love so much. Hey.
Shout out my mom. I love you, Mom. Do you want to call your mom and tell her that you love her?
Hello.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
I just wanted to call you and tell you that I loved you.
I love you too. What do you want? Well, I love you too.
I'm a woman you guys just love so much. Motherly love all around. You know what this is?
A mitten.
It is a mitten, but what is it for?
Cooking.
Okay.
It's for spray tan.
For spray tan. You put tan on it and then you...
Oh, don't. Just get naturally tan.
Yeah. Shout out a woman you love so much.
My mom.
You want to call her and tell her you love her?
Sure. Actually, she just texted me and look, I didn't answer her back. I was asked what woman I appreciate, and I said you. Because I love you. So, yeah.
What is this? What is this?
Is that like your makeup brush?
Yes!
I love my mom and my roommate who's in the car right now.
There's so much love in this car. Shout out a woman that you just love so much and you just want them to hear it.
My mother.
Shout out Mom! Would you want to call her and tell her you love her?
Hi, Mama. Just wanted to shout you out. I love you, Mom.
This one's important for your health. What is this?
A tampon. Tampon.
What is this?
Oh, those are tampons.
They're free on campus. All right, shout out women.
I love my mother.
Give her a call if you want.
We're celebrating women, and I just wanted to tell you that I love you.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Can you say it back?
I love you too.
Okay. Cry, this is so cute. Thank you. Hi, I'm filming Rocky on the street.
Yay.
Yay, and I just wanted to tell you that I love you so much.
I love you too.
And Roxy loves you. If you can hear it, she's saying it right now.
Oh, I love Rocky too. I hope you guys
This is
have
Roxy.
A good filming session. All right, go have fun. I'll
Thanks.
talk to you later.
All right, I love you.
Love you.
Bye. Oh, we got it!